Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Strees Bio Simplified. Today we are going to practice some important questions from chapter Respiration in Plants. Here we have a set of 10 questions today. Okay, let's get started. Let's see a first question. Net gain of ATP molecules during aerobic respiration is option A 36 molecules, option B 38 molecules, option C 40 molecules, option D 48 molecules. Option A is the correct answer for this question, that is 36 molecules. Okay, next question. The energy releasing metabolic processes in which a substrate is oxidized without an electron acceptor is external electron acceptor is option A glycolysis, option B fermentation, option C aerobic respiration, option D photorespiration. Fermentation is incomplete oxidation of food substances in absence of oxygen into alcohol or lactic acid with a small amount of energy being released. Aerobic respiration uses oxygen as an electron acceptor for oxidation of substrates. Glycolysis is the first common stage of both fermentation and aerobic respiration. Photorespiration is oxidation of RUBP by enzyme Rubisco and does not produce energy. Thus, the correct answer is option B, fermentation. Okay, let's see our next question. During which stage in the complete oxidation of glucose are the greatest number of ATP molecules formed from ADP? Option A glycolysis, option B Krebs cycle, option C conversion of pyruvic acid to acetyl-CoA, option D electron transport chain. Option D electron transport chain is the correct answer. Okay, next question. The overall goal of glycolysis, Krebs cycle and the electron transport system is the formation of option A ATP in small stepwise units, option B ATP is one large oxidation reaction, option C sugars, option D nucleic acids. The overall goal of glycolysis, Krebs cycle and electron transport system is the formation of ATP stepwise. The three processes are involved in cellular respiration of food to produce energy, which will be used for various cellular activities. Okay, so the correct answer is A, ATP in small stepwise units. Okay, next question. Aerobic respiratory pathway is appropriately termed option A catabolic, option B parabolic, option C amphibolic, option D anabolic. Aerobic respiratory pathway is appropriately called amphibolic pathway. It contains both catabolic and anabolic reactions. The pathway is catabolic because in this pathway glucose is broken down to carbon dioxide and water. It is also anabolic pathway as energy rich ATP molecules is produced during this pathway. Thus option C is the right answer. Next question. How many ATP molecules could maximally be generated from one molecule of glucose if the complete oxidation of 1 mole of glucose to CO2 and H2O yields 686 kilocalories and the useful chemical energy available in the high energy phosphate bonds of 1 mole of ATP is 12 kilocalories. Option A 30, option B 57, option C 1, option D 2. Complete oxidation of 1 mole of glucose yields 686 kilocalories. Chemical energy available in high energy phosphate bonds of 1 mole of ATP is equal to 12 ATP. ATP molecules maximally generated from 1 molecule of glucose equal to 686 divided by 12 is equal to 57 ATP molecules. And the correct answer is B, that is 57. Okay, next question. In alcoholic fermentation, option A, oxygen is the electron acceptor, option B, triose phosphate is the electron donor, while acetaldehyde is the electron acceptor. Option C, triose phosphate is the electron donor, while pyruvic acid is the electron acceptor. Option D, there is no electron donor. When oxygen is not available, yeast and some other microbes convert pyruvic acid into ethyl alcohol. It is a two-step process. In the first step, pyruvic acid is decarboxylated to yield acetaldehyde and CO2. Pyruvic acid is a 3-carbon compound and acts as an electron donor, while acetaldehyde is the electron acceptor. And the correct option is B. Okay, next question. Which of the metabolites is common to respiration mediated breakdown of fats, carbohydrates and proteins? Option A, glucose 6-phosphate. Option B, fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. Option C, pyruvic acid. Option D, acetyl-CoA. Option D, acetyl-CoA is the correct answer for this question. Okay, next. The three boxes in this diagram represents the three major biosynthetic pathways in aerobic respiration. Arrows represent net reactions or products. Arrows number 4, 8 and 12 can all be option A NADH, option B ATP, option C H2O, option D FED plus or FEDH2. The right answer for this question is B ATP. Okay, next question. Which one of the following concerns phosphorylation? 1. ADP plus AMP in the presence of light energy is converted into ATP. Second, ADP inorganic PO4 in the presence of light energy is converted to ATP. Third, ADP plus inorganic PO4 is converted to ATP. 4. AMP plus inorganic PO4 in the presence of light energy is converted to ATP. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The right option is B, that is second one, concerns phosphorylation. Okay, next question. Oh sorry, that's it for the day guys. Hope you guys learned something. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Happy learning. Thank you for watching.